Welcome back to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like and hit the notification bells to get a notification whenever we post a video. So today we're gonna be unboxing some things special for Zainab before she travels. So the thing is a new iPhone. It's a Huawei, but it's also like it's a phone. So yeah, so let's unbox it. So let's open it from here.
Inside.
Yes, from here. And for here, very sorry for not using scissors because the scissors is not here beside us. So yeah. Okay, close your eyes. They're the first one to see. Okay, 1, 2. Do you see it, guys?
Wow!
Oh my god! Wow, guys, look, it's so beautiful. It's a metallic blue. It's like metallic. So yeah. So it's so beautiful.
It's not blue, it's green, metallic green.
Yeah, but it's so nice. It's metallic. Yeah. Can we open this?
No.
Okay. So this is it,
This
guys.
is the catalog. It's Arabic.
Okay, so this is it from the back. It has an Hawaii sign from here. It has the things here and it has 4 cameras. And it's like the size of this over here. And here it's in Huawei Y7A. It's 22.5 Huawei. It gives like charger to 5,000 battery. Wow. It's 48 ampere and it's 128 gigabytes and 6.67 inches. And it's also explored in App Gallery. So beautiful.
So nice.
Yes. So let's keep it at the side. Oh my god. Let's keep it at the side here. So here, I don't know what's this, but there's like these papers.
Yeah, this one to need every time you buy this code. You need this one.
Yeah. So let's open here. Here, I think we have the charger. No. Here's
the
cover.
jelly case.
Oh my god, they give you the gel case. It's so nice.
Show them.
Guys, it comes with the free gel case.
Yes.
Let's put it on. Let's put it on.
B-E-A-U-H-E.
How to put it on? It's not going on. Yes. It's not going on.
Oh
my god, and it comes with this to put rasid.
Yeah.
Yeah, to put credit. And
This is the pen.
Yes, to open it, I think. Yeah, from here. Here or here? Wait. Yes, here. Here. To put this inside here and it will come out. And it comes with a catalog. This is an Arabic it's an France catalog. And now
France?
Yeah, it's France. Look.
Yeah, France, some English and some
Yeah.
Arabic.
Yay! Now
What have inside the box?
it's the charger. Yes, it is. Oh my god, your charger is like my charger!
Oh, really?
My charger is like my iPad Pro charger.
This one?
Yes, it's the same one.
Okay. So
This
you can borrow.
Yeah, this actually goes to an iPad Pro, an iPhone 12, all kinds of iPhone 12, and iPhone 11 Pro Max.
Yes.
And it goes for iPad Pro. So this is the charger.
This is the charger.
And this is the plug of the charger. Here you can put the USB in here, just like that, and then just plug it into the there is.
Oh, so have also headphones. See, wow.
I like the kit.
It's complete. Yes.
Yeah.
You know how much this one we buy is 799 real.
Wow, that's so cheap.
Yeah, that's the cheap one, yes. So I like too much.
See, this is
Yes. Headphone.
can keep it here.
Okay.
And then listen to music.
Yeah.
You can higher and lower the sound from here actually. This is like the iPhone. Same here.
Oh, it's open the battery like here.
Yes.
Yeah, pwede na siyang buksan. So like this one. We will see. Sobrang ganda niya. Oh.
Tapos ka nga gawin.
So ayan, may English siya. English.
Kumawata.
So guys, ito na siya. English, get started.
Dahil kumawata dyan.
United States. Yan.
Iwanan ka dyan sa next week.
Okay, English next.
Oh.
Okay. Skip muna natin kasi wala pa siyang SIM card.
Nalpasan, sumatin ba kanina ng kanya? Grabe eh.
Skip muna natin.
Ninanang, grabe eh. Bagan sa ibe, pajalibin ang mama eh. Ay mama ko na na. Pajalibikan ako na kanya. Bakto ibang to kinipapa ko na no.
Third
Anak yung message
customer.
mo nang sendya ka idas. Di ko ano na dyan yung grades na nga to ano. Yan. Kung sumatin bagada. Tangay. Sumatin bagada, 67. Natapad daw. Magkita niya card na.
So, saka na lang natin siya ayusin, guys. Ayan. Ano yung ano niya, mag-start it siya. So, direct customer provides a range. Yan, yung sulat niya. Ganda siya, super. Hindi kalugi. Ayan. Ganda rin ng color. Ang color niya is crush green. Kagaya ng ano, ibang ano, para siyang HuaweiYa. Mas maganda rin siya. Yan. Ganda yung camera niya. Mahaba. Apat yung cam niya. Kasi yung nakasulat dito. Diba? So, nandiyan na yung aking yes cam. At tingnan natin.
Okay, so we're back because my sister called me. So did you open it?
No, but I will not mix now.
Okay.
With this one to follow up, but not now.
Set up and service enable also.
Yes.
So it's gonna tell you like that at the
So
beginning,
look at this one.
but you're not gonna wanna do
Have
it.
this also catalog to help how to use this, how to open it, or have also Arabic and English. This the Arabic.
And this is saying, this one is saying, the dear customer, AMO provided a range of achievement service that help you get the most from your device. Touch the setup achievement service link to learn more about these services and enable to or disable services and eventually. To provide these and HS services, AMO may, oh my god, need access searches, informations, and permissions on your device. Your email, incoming and outgoing call numbers, networks, informations, and informations about how images are used. The information's data is called and processes in Strike accordance with the Hawaii privacy policy. And you can follow the link to learn more about the permissions and information required by each service by this device.
So guys, what do you see about this mobile? So nice.
I like the color.
Me too.
Wait.
I like the color. Crush green. What's that?
So she has two phones. One we're looking in, and this is another one. The another one is all the same color.
It's not the same color.
This is blue.
Blue.
And this is
another.
Oh my god.
The another one is green. Crush green.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's metallic green.
So nice. It's it's so shiny. Don't remove this, Habibti. Please, Yani. For her is so nice. You know why? She have 4 cameras.
Who?
That one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait guys, let me go bring my phone and show you my phone.
Yala, bring your phone. Ayan. Ito yun naman yung So, yung another phone. Kaso lang, siya. Maganda siya. Original din ito. Look at this one, guys. Tinanggalan na. Pinadikit siya pa. Yan. Show your telephone.
Okay, so this is my phone.
So cute, but it's Apple.
It's black.
It's black?
Yeah, it is. Look. Look.
Okay.
And when I just got it, my dad fell it from my hand and the camera got cracked.
Oh, wow.
See guys? Look. Here. All from this, let me show you. Put it. All from this, when I want to go to photos, I want to use portion. It doesn't. It's just blurry because of the broken camera. And this side is actually the portion that got broken. So look right now when I press on portion. But look, wait. Yeah, where's portion? This is not portion. Wait, yeah, because portion.
And then where?
And when you